we do this right, we put it in there and leave it.
There's our hole for our sash to go through to the box head, which is really the last step, pretty much, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, and then just put the window sash in.
Yeah.
And put weights on them. You know?
Yeah, yeah. The last step before the other 20 steps, but our sashes are back with glass in them. They look amazing. I'm about to have some windows, people. Jerry Wayne cleaning up our stop there. Yeah, we're cutting the edge off for sheetrock there.
Sheetrock. The sheetrock comes out good.
Like a half inch. Take it, yeah, chisel. I'll take a chisel and just knock the rest of that off.
Yeah.
So it'll be chew that.
I'm excited. You gonna try to put some of these in today?
This one's going up in just a few minutes.
Nice. Got two geniuses right here. Same shot, working on the same thing. Eddie's rolling his eyes at that a little bit.
Yeah, that's okay.
Masters?
Okay, a little better.
Yeah, that's probably closer to the mark.
Master carpenter, man. Gotta own it.
I've been 34 years
Hey,
now.
well, you're not getting any better than that.
Do anything, you know?
I think you're at your peak. Is this the biggest job you've ever worked on? I don't know. No. See, I shouldn't have asked that.
It's a big one though. It's one of the.
I mean,
it's
it's
in the top 5.
from like
Just
where
top
we
5.
started. It was so.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I know.
So now we've come so far already, but.
The biggest house I worked on was 30 feet shy of a football field long.
Well, I'm not talking about like the biggest house, like the biggest project. Since this one burned,
Oh yeah, that's a lot more work.
Yeah,
remodel
I mean,
and
we had a lot further to
restoring
go.
something than it is building new. It's so easy to build new.
Oh yeah, I know. I've been trying to tell people that over and over.
This is the biggest resto job I've ever had to do.
Yeah,
As far as actually going in and restoring,
yeah.
it is the biggest resto. I've done
Yeah,
some
probably.
restoration. I mean, how long ago?
It's definitely the biggest we've ever done. It's.
Yeah.
I mean, it took us months to get to like ground zero. We just had to demo all
Yeah,
the fire
oh, God.
stuff forever,
I mean, yeah, that was a lot.
and then to start building back. So.
Yeah, I mean, just the pictures, even after some of the cleanup has been done that y'all had.
Oh. And we still have demo to do.
Right.
This thing's a monster.
Alright. Yeah, it is.
How tall is that, John?
That is 9 foot. I want to say 8, but I don't quote me on that. It's over 9 feet though. Down there. I can have you cut this one.
No.
Okay. Got it.
But I will get it.
What we call sanding nose. So finally done with this one. I'm going to move over to the potty closet, and hopefully that will not take me as long think I said that this time though, but we'll see. So you've taken this piece out, you're gonna weave in there. So that's
Yeah, I cut it down, regrooved it.
right. It made sense to leave this one here that runs in front of the fireplace because it's like woven in with this other board, like in a strange way. But so now you gotta push one through.
A couple of nails to pick up here.
So that board was already there. It was just off when they repaired it last time. They did a bad job, right? So you ripped it down to match the width.
Right.
It's like a 1/4 inch off, wasn't it?
Something like that. But and I got some more that should fit the next run.
Uh-huh.
And once I get past that.
Start putting new stuff down. Till we run out. Okay. What's the story with that board, Eddie? Is that was one of the ones that was down, but it's different height than the others?
When they put this floor in, a bunch of these boards are all they're thick, and they chisel them out to make them fit the beam.
Oh,
So in order to get this board to slide in there,
yeah.
I decided to plane all that rest of that off. Now maybe it'll slide on in there and look right.
So that's hilarious. They chiseled off the places where it sat.
Yeah.
So just a quick thought on one of the concerns we've got is that we took all the plaster out of this house and we're having to put up drywall. So we're going to use 1/2 inch drywall and it's going to go directly on the studs. So when you're putting in plaster, you've got lath, which is a 1/4 inch thick all around the house. And then you have plaster that goes onto that. And it actually varies in width, but ends up being, probably 3/4 inch thick for the most part. So as we hit our sides of our windows, which is what I'm thinking about now, but Eddie's he's been having to think about how drywall will fit after plaster this whole time. He's done a lot of work on it, and I won't be surprised if when the drywall guys come in, we have to adjust a few more things as they get to putting it up. But if you'll see me, I'm working on the sides of these window frames where the plaster actually came out to almost the edge of those. Well, the drywall is going to expose another 1/2 inch or so of that wood. So I'm having to sand down what normally was not even seen before. So just another thing to consider when we're making these significant changes to the house. there's that board back into place. So today's video just came out and everybody's telling me you left the music out, and I did. It's not nearly as fun to watch without the music, is it? It's kind of hard to watch. So I missed that, but I got more of that today, so I'll make sure the music's in there for all of us to dance to. But also wanted to show you this, which I guess you can see it, growing a little bit of facial hair. I do that whenever I'm not with the girl because she hates it. So I only do it when she's not around. She says it makes me look older, and I'm sure it does, but you know, it's kind of fun to not shave for a while. So yeah, anyway, that's all. Okay, bye. I just got off the phone with Marcus Buffington, the man, the electrician, the contractor that's over all this house, really, and has done all the electrical work. And see this? I didn't even know it was here. He came while we were opening the Royal We and put that in. And I called him today. I was like, hey man, when do you think you can get down here and put that in? He's like, you mean the thing that's there? You gotta be kidding me. Walked around and sure enough, there it is. Looks great. Everything he does is so clean, like meticulously put there. So now we can have our line dug from the pole to the house. So it'll be underground power, which is fantastic. We're real excited about that. And I mean, this is a serious, basically we're powering 2 big houses. And so we've got a panel, all these things here, all these panels here, and then a panel over on the L as well. It's a big job, but did a great job, of course. Got a couple more things to button up that he's gonna come back and do. I think we're getting real close to sheetrock, y'all. So we're gonna have this one trenched hopefully here in the next week. So that'll be fun to watch. Hey B, no sir. No sir. You parking in those cars? Hey Bean, you have never been over here before, have you? Never been over here. Don't go down there. Don't you go down there. Are you smelling everything up here? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy?